from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a new steering wheel. This is a Malcom Campbell steering wheel, 17 inches. We also do 16 inches. And this was produced in the early 1930s originally as a sort of super accessory wheel for MGs and Morgans and various other vehicles. And this is a brand new one we've made with the stainless steel spokes here, a bit thicker than the originals, because the originals were too flexible. You can see it's got the original finger grips here and the spokes secure onto the rim there. But that's a Malcom Campbell style wheel, dates from probably about 1934, available in 16 and 17 inches.